Hello everybody, welcome to Excel Prop Marketing Services. In this video we'll be talking about the availability of 3 BHK 3 BHK with 2 washrooms. The same sample apartment that we are looking at, we have got 2 inventories available for sale in the project. 3 BHK with 2 washroom unit, 1229 square feet, the sample apartment which we are looking at. This is Godrej Ananda. We have it in phase 1, not in phase 1, I think phase 2 units are available for sale. Don't forget to reach out to us if you are interested. Apart from that, if you're interested for a Jodi unit 3 BHK apartment, we have got a Jodi unit which has just come recently in cancellation. Only one unit available, west facing unit. The 3 BHK Jodi we will talk a little later. We'll have a word on that unit later on. But as if now we'll talk about this 3 BHK with 2 washroom unit. One we have it east facing unit, another we have it in west facing. Don't forget to reach us. We'll be sharing the price details in the description. So this is how you will have the apartment: dining, kitchen, utility space, living area, television space and the balcony. And then we have the master bedroom. Here we have the master bedroom of Godrej Ananda 3 BHK normal unit, along with the washroom attached to it. Master bedroom toilet. People who have missed an opportunity or didn't got the available options, if you have been waiting, don't forget to reach us. The common bedroom, the second bedroom you can see. Then we have the washroom. This is a common washroom for both the units. This one is the third room, bedroom number 2. We just looked at sample apartment of 3 BHK Godrej Ananda with 2 washroom available for sale. Let us quickly look out 2 BHK sample apartment. We have got the units available for sale, even 2 BHKs. We are looking at 2 BHK sample apartment now. Quickly we'll finish off. So we have 2 BHKs available for sale on the lower floors. Don't forget to reach us. First we'll be starting from master bedroom with attached washroom to it. The price is somewhere close to 60 lakhs, 60. Slightly we will sit and negotiate on the pricing if you are interested. We have the kitchen and the utility space outside and balcony. And then this one. So this is bedroom with attached washroom to it. So the same concept provided also coming up with 2 BHK with 2 washroom attached. Well, now availability we have 2 BHKs in Godrej Ananda, 3 BHK with 2 washroom in Godrej Ananda, and anyone interested for a west facing unit 3 BHK Jodi unit, reach us. We'll be sharing our contact number in description for details. And studios are also we have somewhere 29 lakhs. Don't forget to reach us, everybody. Stay safe. So here we have the sample apartments of phase 2, which are not opened yet. Very soon they'll open it. Then we have this Jodi unit available for sale. This is the sample apartment, right? So don't forget to reach us. We'll share our number in description, and call us immediately if you're interested and planning to finalize immediately, because the inventories which are available are subject to change. Right, yesterday 2 units were there, east facing of 2 BHK which had come in cancellation. Yes, got sold out. Nothing is there now. West facing we have 2 BHKs are available. 3 BHK with 2 washroom unit, that is 1229 square feet 2 units we have. West and east facing on the middle floors and the ground floor. Then we have 3 BHK Jodi unit available for sale on 9th floor, west facing. Don't forget to reach us. Pricing for a Jodi will come somewhere close to 87-89 lakhs, and a 3 BHK normal will be more than 70. 2 BHK will be 60. We'll share our number. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day. Stay safe.